Well, good morning, friends. And it's a pretty one too. Sun's just coming up over the homestead, and I love coming out here real early in the morning where everything's just brand new. Happy new day. Today we're going to work on our wash table for our new harvest area, and this is the spot that we're going to put it. So we'll be right back after the break. I'll meet you over at the shop, and let's get to work on our little wash table. We'll build it together. See you over at the shop.
This video is part 2 of 5 Garden Harvest Area DIY Vegetable Wash Table.
Well, welcome back. We're back over at the shop and we are ready to get started. Today we're going to work on the wash table for our harvest area, and this wash table is going to be pretty nice for us. It's going to be 10 feet long, which is pretty good size wash table. So when we bring our harvest up out of the garden, we can come to the wash table and we can do the initial rinse. And it's got plenty of room. It's got a good wire mesh bottom in it. We can put the vegetables in there, wash them down real good and get all that loose stuff off of it. Then we'll take it over to the processing table, clean it up a little more, and then we'll transport it over to the outdoor kitchen where Nancy will take the next step by canning it or washing it or cooking it. And then we can also take it over to the 4-week pantry where we can vacuum seal it or whatever we want to do for long-term storage. So this is just one part of the process, and today we're going to build the wash table, and I thought we'd build it together and get it on out in place. So I got a little sketch. I thought you'd like to take a look at the sketch. So come on up here and take a closer look at it, and let's see what we got ahead of us. Well, here's the sketch. This is the top view of the table right here looking down on the table, and this view right here is a view looking at the front of the table from, this direction. So this is the front of it. I'm going to build it with 4x4 legs. Here's the legs right here. I want these legs to be nice and heavy because they're going to be sitting out there in the woods, and they're going to tend to want to sink down into that ground out there a little bit, and they're outside permanently in the weather. So I'm going with the 4x4 pressure treated legs, as well as 2x4 frame that is going to be pressure treated. So I got a 2x4 pressure treated frame that's going to be covered at this top right through here. I'm going to cover with the hardware cloth. And then on top of the hardware cloth, I'm going to put in a 2x8 frame around the top of the whole table. So when I lay my vegetables in there, they don't tend to walk out or waller out or blow out when I hit them with the water. This will help them stay contained inside the table while I'm washing. So it's a pretty comfortable way to do it. I think it'll hold together real nice. All pressure treated lumber. We're going to build this like we do most of our tables. I think you're kind of catching on to how we build things here. It's pretty simple. So let's get started on this build and get this thing on out there into the area where it's going to be put to use. So we'll put pictures of this build on our Facebook page if you think you might want to build one for yourself. And you can adjust it to any size you want. Mine's 10 feet long, so you may not only want it to be like 2 feet long, just adjust your dimensions to suit it. So it's time to get going. The sun's coming up and I want to get this done because I got a lot to do today. See you in a minute. Well, thank you for hanging out with me this morning while we built this wash table project. That was a pretty fun little project. And I can't wait to get it out into the harvest area and grow something and put it in here and wash it and eat it. Wow, we're getting there, but we still got a ways to go to bring this place to life. But I promise you, I'll keep at it. But this is a good solid table. It's 3 feet wide, 10 feet long. That ought to be just about the right size to hold all of Nancy's Napa cabbage, because we grow a lot of that stuff for her kimchi, and I can't wait to get her some. And I know she's looking forward to it. But anyway, this is a good old table. It should last the rest of my life. I'm gonna get it out into the harvest area, and that all we got left to do is grow something and eat it. So I'm looking forward to that. So if you like our videos and you like our channel, subscribe and be a part of our Homestead family. We still got a lot more to go here to bring this place to life, and we look forward to doing it. So until me and Nancy see you next time, always remember, by his hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day.
Thank you for watching our videos. We love making them. If you like our videos, we ask you to partner with us in our mission by sharing our videos from YouTube and post from Facebook to all social medias. It really inspires and encourages us. Some great places to share is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please like if you like this video, subscribe, click the notification button so you never miss another video. Click below for products we used in the videos, and you could also partner with us without spending a penny. We welcome your encouraging comments, prayers, and questions. And thank you for watching and sharing our videos and posts. Have a blessed day.